Of this opinion that your style is very close to Adidja Palmer Vybz Kartel. What was your opinion on that?
I mean, me not really have an opinion because I mean, I not really me I make that comparison at the people them, but you don't know the people them are the true deciding factors of music.
You kind of look like Adi.
No man.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with T. In today's video, we Alkaline being compared to Vybz Kartel, and you will see his response. Also, Miss Blinger getting our bring down after it has been alleged that she and TikTok police are in a relationship despite having a husband. Also, CMR finally speaks out. So if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Leave a comment, share with your friends, and leave a like on this video. Check this out.
Of this opinion that your style is very close to Adidja Palmer Vybz Kartel. What was your opinion on that?
I mean, me not really have an opinion because I mean, I not really me I make that comparison at the people them, but you don't know the people them are the true deciding factors of music, what makes it and what doesn't. So me I say, so if them I say that, I mean, me have to just load them for say what them have to say. So me I say.
But you kind of look like Adi.
No man, I remember say I'm a dark skinned guy, you know, so me don't know. You see me? Because me don't know.
But I mean, the comparison's being made, and you obviously are aware of it. But you try to keep that, you can't keep that away from Alkaline.
Yeah man, most definitely, because you don't know my mission is different. Yeah, so me I say from every other artist, I would say.
If he were to acknowledge that there were influences that you brought to bear on his career, would that change things?
Not his career, every career. The same way, I'm not afraid to say Buju Banton, I'm the biggest inspiration. Ninja Man. And once you accept that, you will reach far. If you don't accept that, you're not going nowhere. And that's just the truth.
You guys remember the other day when Anthony Miller asked those questions about Alkaline, and he was basically saying, you know, Alkaline was inspired by Vybz Kartel in his younger days, you know, and basically he no one admit that. So this old video, basically that interview was saying, I make him know, say, but look at your bleach out, you slim, hear me, you bleach out, and you know, grow your ear, just like your favorite Adi. And he was like, no, son, him also remind him, say that, but that's what the people say. I think this is what Vybz Kartel wanted to hear, and I kind of the same reason why Spice did have a problem with I think Shensi or whoever it was, when never did a bigger up, because they never did acknowledge saying yes, as she paved the way. It's the same thing. But tell me what you guys think in the comment section. So after everything that's been going on the internet with the CMR situation, he finally uploaded, well, Christy had posted a video the other day with a review on a wig. She in wig because, you know, she has brand deals and contracts that they have to fulfill. So they're both uploading content still. So CMR uploaded a video, and there were a lot of comments, both negative, some positive, and CMR decided to clap back at one of the comments, and it reads, this person wrote, "This is unbelievable. The thumbnail, the clickbait. You did not have to post this and use this sensitive matter for likes and views. This is an ongoing matter. Wouldn't the best option be to stay off social media? I cannot respect you for this." CMR responded and said, "Say the same to others posting, saying fake things and lies, or move from a page. Simple. Then do it for me look bad. But here you are at chat. I did speak out. Go watch the video again." Someone else said, "People don't really care about the child, but happy for a situation to leech on and to trample on them." CMR replied, "Exactly." Tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section. Still on CMR. Now, a YouTuber came out 3 days ago saying that she received an email from Chrissy threatening to sue her for the video she made regarding her husband. Now, when I heard the word sue, right, the first thing I thought about was, if you're saying someone is defaming your character, because I work with a law firm, you know, and we get a lot of defamation cases and we decline most of them because, number one, you have to prove that this person has defamed your character in ways where you've lost business or it affected your business relationship or lost money, right? And once you can't prove that, then the most you can get is probably, you know, a cease and desist letter. But the first person that I think that they should look at would be the APOCA, or whatever their name, Orange County Police Department. They are the ones that put it on the website. This information was not fabricated in our eyes because that's where we found it, right? That's where we as bloggers found it. Now they sent her an email saying that they're going to sue and she should remove the videos, blah, 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 blah. So I'm going to show you a little clip of what she said, and then you can go over to her YouTube channel to watch the remainder. Check this out.
I got an email. Me see the email yesterday. Chrissy emailed me. Me and her are talking at the email. I have about 6 videos on my YouTube channel about Chrissy husband CMR, just like everybody else. If you type in them name on YouTube right now, you can find over 1,000 people are react to talk about them, and them can't get away from that because people are going to talk about them regardless. In a good way, in a bad way, people are going to talk about them because them live them life on social media. And me not have no problem with Chrissy. I never bring her down yet. She's a girl who me like her. You know, and you know why me like her? She's a strong woman. She's an independent woman. Chrissy is a go-getter. You know, she's a hard-working woman. She's an independent lady, and she motivates me as well. So me like her. Right? Email me. Me and her are talking a email. And she said to me, say, me fi remove the videos them what me have on my YouTube channel with her husband, with her family. That's what she said to me in the email. The two of us did a talk in our email. And she said to me, say me fi remove the videos them what me have up on my YouTube channel about her husband CMR, her family. And I must remove all the videos that I have up on my YouTube channel about her daughter who was accused in the situation with her husband CMR. I must remove every single videos. Now, from this thing start, I never yet posted that little girl picture. I never posted nothing about that little girl. I see others people doing it, having her picture all about. Me never do it because
To watch the full video, you can head on over to her YouTube channel, Vibe with Rosa and Chill, and you can listen to the remainder of the email. Some of the comments were saying, well, she's gonna have to, sue the entire YouTube. There were good comments, there were negative, but you guys check it out for yourselves and let me know what you think in the comments. On the stick of face up on the screen, everybody and their mom and their auntie is supposed to know who this Miss Blinger, right? She keep a court on TikTok. I don't know if it's every day, but every other day she go live and she bring down judgment on people in a relationship and in situationship, and she drag them down. She diss them, she class them, she drag them. Now, somebody always tell me, say, Karma know everybody address. Because when I'm my turn, they're going to drop me. So guess what? This is she. It is being alleged that she was involved sexually with TikTok police while she's married. No, she came forth and said, first she did deny, and then she came forth no answer and say, because she just try help TikTok police daughter for try getting over. But it's funny because the way she did deal with Louise and a collar, Yemen and this and that, every other girl, and you're doing the same thing. You basically are trying to bring up one Jamaican man. Figure use you and give money and this and that. But I mean, Patakos Keko, but hey, check this out.
So, this is a big question I want to ask you. When she came to, why did you decide to come out with everything now? Why?
Cause for no say the husband know about me and me I say a lie, nothing no go so. And yeah go come and like visit other man.
A while ago you said that you said it was a prank to protect her relationship, but now you said the husband know about the relationship.
The husband, people are not fool. Everybody on TikTok know. All when she come out to a prank, the husband have him think them and him a be him own detective and him a pressure her. So she have to say a prank.
Okay.
So him actually did have an idea then about this.
Tell the people, why did you guys decide to say it was a prank? That's what I need to know. Why did you guys decide it was a prank?
She did worry about her relationship with she and her husband, and me did feel a way. So they kind of put myself in that husband's shoes and think I might tell her, here we go and just go out there and denounce me. You see me, and she asked me like how me I go do that? How me I go do that? I can't say nothing about you now. Like I may say just go out there and tell the people them say well, what was a prank.
So my question is, if she was involved, if she had a boyfriend or a person, what did you say? Make that clear.
Repeat that question.
She had a husband, a boyfriend. What did you say? Make that clear.
She had a husband.
He had a husband. So
yeah.
While you guys were doing the relationship, she had that husband, right?
Yes.
So why did you guys? If you remind you said that she said it's a prank because she don't want the husband. So why came out public before about it? Why came out? Why plan such a thing?
I think it started off as TikTok relationship. Ended up that she came. We were having conversation on the phone, and she came. We meet up, and we're here now.
A good thing, say. It's a good thing, say my name Blinger. What if my never name Blinger? What if my name wasn't Blinger? You are the weapon that is formed against you. And with this attitude, you won't get anywhere. You've gone on all of my enemies' life. And you can't you see my enemies whatever they're doing, it's not working. My enemies, they're trying so hard. They cannot bring me down. They can't get my clout. They just fucking can't. Somebody tell Ivani I'm not playing much. None of my enemies can bring me down. None of my enemies can bring me down, and none of my enemies will ever get my clout because me stop look upon them. The way how uno go on and act like me as some celebrity. Every day I'm you guys' content. You guys don't have any content? Miss Bling is your content? Like, make this make sense. There's nothing else to speak about other than Miss Bling. You guys are digging up my past. You guys are digging up my name, my kids, my hobby, and then talking about that I'm not married. Like, what the fuck is this? How is this going to benefit you guys? Like, please explain this to me. How is anything that you guys are doing are going to benefit you? You think these people are with you? They are broke. They are broke. They won't give you anything. I didn't come out here to beg. And my people are gifting me. Like, make Make this make sense. They won't give you anything. You won't get anything. All those videos and all those shit that you say you have of me. So sell them. You want money. So why you don't sell them? People giving you $1.something million for a video and you holding back? The fuck? Make me more viraler. What did you get from this?
Anyways, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you reach this far in the video, thank you so much. Honestly, leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.